So pretty nippy conditions to get the day started, and in fact last night was one of the coldest nights we've seen since February. Our temperatures in South Newington in Oxfordshire down to -7, and across the board feeling very chilly with lots of minus figures there. It does look like we will start to see a little bit of a milder picture through the coming night. Now, your Weather Watchers photos sent in today, this one from Sherlock Holmes, a beautiful sunrise there with just a touch of mist. Tomorrow's skies probably not quite so glamorous, probably a bit more in the way of cloud to get the day started for Friday, and 1 or 2 showers to be had too. And it's this low pressure system which is pushing just towards us from the southwest, and that's bringing us some quite unsettled conditions, and it's our southwestern quarter that you will soon see will see the bulk of any wet weather. And we start with that tonight because much of our region will see quite cloudy skies through the overnight spell. There'll be showers just about anywhere, but this southwestern area is where we could well see the heaviest of those bursts. And our temperatures are likely to head down to 2 or 3 degrees, but given a break in the cloud, we could see temperatures close to freezing. So a touch of frost is possible as we get on into Friday morning. Now, Friday morning, we have a yellow weather warning in place for this southwestern quarter. This is where we're likely to see the worst of any showers through the day on Friday. We may have 1 or 2 cropping up elsewhere, but there'll be some brighter breaks at times through that cloud, probably limited brightness through the day on Friday. Our temperatures up to around 10 or 11 degrees. Now, your inshore waters for tomorrow, the winds will be easterly or southeasterly 4 or 5, and the sea state will be slight. On into tomorrow evening, and we stick with that yellow weather warning in place for that southwestern portion. Elsewhere, generally dry to start before we start to see more in the way of wet weather, particularly for southern coastal areas and for the Isle of Wight, and that gradually lifting northwards through the tail end of the night. Linking us on into the weekend because we will have further outbreaks of rain, particularly to the south of the M4 corridor through the day on Saturday. Some showery activity, maybe a rumble or 2 of thunder here. And then on into Sunday too, it looks like it'll be coastal areas most affected by that wet weather. Some cloudier conditions though, the further inland that you are.